Hey, my name is Bhavani Kola. Welcome back to another session of Face to Face to Online Transition. Today, we will be looking at how to create breakout rooms in your Teams meeting. Yes, that is possible, and yes, that is fun. So let's go ahead and look how it's done. So I am in my Teams sample class, and I have already created 3 private channels, which are my 3 different breakout rooms. So in order for you to have a breakout room, your channels have to be private. So let's go ahead and create a private channel right now. I'm going to go ahead and add a channel. I don't want to name the channel, so I'm going to use an emoji. Let me see. I am going to use, going to scroll down and I'm going to use a coffee just because I feel like drinking coffee right now. And I'm going to click private and I'm going to click next. So channel is being added, and once you add your channel as an instructor, you want to go ahead and assign your students to that particular channel. I'm going to skip that right now because I've already done that. But you as an instructor can always go back into your private channels and add your students. So once you add the students, all the students will be in that private channel and they will be going to that particular breakout room. So I'm going to click skip. And as you can see, I have 4 different private channels and I will be having 4 different breakout groups. And please keep in mind the maximum amount of breakout groups that you can have is 4 in Teams. That's as of today. And as you know, Microsoft has always been upgrading, so anything can change. The difference between your private channel and your regular channel is the lock symbol. If it's a private channel, then you will have a lock right next to it. That means only students that have been assigned to this channel can access the channel. And you want to do that so you can make sure students are not jumping from one breakout room to another. So once this is done, let's go ahead and initiate the breakout rooms. So I'm going into my coffee channel and I'm going to click Meet Now. I'm going to turn off my camera and I'm going to say Meet Now. I have just initiated the meeting, and as soon as I initiate, a notification pops up in the channel asking all the students to join, and you might also want to prompt that to your students. Now I'm going into my second breakout room / private channel, and I'm going to do the same exact step. Turn off my camera, Meet Now. I have initiated that. And you see, as soon as I have initiated the second meeting, the first meeting is on hold. I'm going back to my Teams. I'm initiating the meeting for the third breakout room, turning off my camera again, Meet Now. And you see the coffee breakout room and the watermelon breakout room are on hold, but the meeting has been running. That means the students have been talking to one another and they are collaborating. Now for the fourth breakout room, I'm going to go ahead and click Initiate Meeting, turning off my camera, Meet Now. And the maximum amount of breakout rooms that you can have, or the maximum amount of meetings that you can be, is 4. So once I have done that, as an instructor, you can jump from one meeting to another. So if I want to jump into my coffee, I'm going to go ahead and click on join. And you can see my pretzel is on hold, my pretzel breakout room. So now you might have understood why I use the emojis. So it's easy for you to see which one I'm in. So if I want to go back and monitor my students in the ice cream breakout room, I'm just going to go ahead and click resume. And right now, that's where I am. And if I want to go back to my coffee breakout room, I'm going to click that. And pretzel, I'm going to click that. So you can see at one particular time, you can only be in one breakout room. But as an instructor, you can keep jumping from one meeting to another and monitoring your students. Hope this helps and hope you enjoy your breakout rooms. Thank you and happy teaching.